Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make waterfall graph in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have a data, category and amount. So to create waterfall graph, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab in charts group. Here you can see the one option insert waterfall funnel stock chart. Okay, just click on this drop down arrow and here the first option for waterfall graph. Simply click on it and here you can see your waterfall is inserted with the chart design tab with the format tab. Okay, if you want to increase the size, you just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the graph. You can see here in this graph in vertical showing the amount, in horizontal showing the category. And here the legend entry indicate with the color blue for the increase, orange for the decrease and total for the gray. So this way you can see those amount is increasing showing the blue and the minus amount is showing the decreasing is orange indicate. Okay. If you want to change the chart style, you can change here. Simply click on the charts, go to the chart design tab. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see different types of the chart style is available. When you keep cursor on it, see the preview of the chart is showing. Okay, you can check here and just apply the your chart style, those you want. So I select this one. So this is a way here I changed my chart style also. If you want to change the layout, you can change here. Again, go to the chart design. In chart layout, click on the second option, quick layout option. And here you can see different layout is available. When you keep cursor on it, see the preview of the layout is showing in the charts. See? So I just select this one. That's it. You can see the layout also changed. If you want to move chart in another sheet, you can move easily. Okay. So before that, you have to add the sheet number 1. So I sheet number add here sheet number 3 to move this chart in sheet number 3. Okay. And after that, just click on the charts and go to the chart design tab. In location group, click on the move charts option. And here you can see the small dialog box is open. Move chart where choose where you want the chart to be placed. Select the second option object in sheet number 2 is default selected. Click on this drop down arrow and select the sheet number 3 and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see sheet number 3, the chart is moved. In sheet number 2, only data is showing. Okay. So this is a way you can easily move your chart also. Okay. If you want to change the chart type, just go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type. And here you can see the one dialog box is open for change chart type. Here you can see all chart types is available. You just simply select it and you can change easily. So I select here pie and you can see different types of pie also available. I select this one and you can check here the preview of the pie chart and click on the OK. So this is a way you can change the chart type also in this Excel. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.